How to dissolve kidney stones naturally. Stones in the kidney have become quite common these days. They can appear in both men and women but are mostly prevalent in men. The excruciating pain a person with kidney stones experiences is beyond explanation. This pain radiates all the way down to the lower back from the abdomen. Kidney stones develop in the human body due to both genetic and environmental factors. Apart from the pain, the person can experience a frequent urge to urinate, blood in the urine, nausea, and vomiting. Home remedies to dissolve kidney stones naturally. Baking soda for kidney stones. 1 tablespoon baking soda, 10 ounces lukewarm water. Mix the baking soda powder in the water and drink it immediately. Drink this thrice over the course of the day. The alkalinity of the baking soda will lower the acidic content to your urine that caused the stone to form. Once these levels come down, the stone can easily pass through the urinary system. Apple cider vinegar for kidney stones. 2 tablespoons apple cider vinegar, a glass of water. Add the vinegar to the water and drink this. Drink this concoction before your meals until the symptoms are reduced. You can continue drinking this once or twice a week to prevent kidney stone formation in the future. This is the easiest home remedy for kidney stone removal in the body. The chemical composition of apple cider vinegar helps to soften and dissolve the kidney stones. Lemon juice and olive oil for kidney stone. 1 tablespoon extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and a glass of water. Add lemon juice and olive oil to the water. Give it a mix and drink. Have a few glasses of water. If the stone does not pass within a few hours, repeat this twice or thrice in a day until the stone is ejected. The citric acid present in the lemon juice will break down the kidney stone. The help of the greasiness of the oil will help the stone to pass through the urethra easily. Coconut water for kidney stone. Drink coconut water several times during the day. Continue this for a week to flush out kidney stones. Drinking a lot of coconut water will increase the body's urine output. Apart from this, the potassium present in this refreshing drink will alkalinize the acidic urine and also dissolve the stones. It is therapeutic not only for the urinary system but also for the reproductive system. Radish juice for kidney stones. White radish. Peel the radish and remove its stem. Grate and blend it to extract the juice. Drink 100 ml of this in the morning, preferably on an empty stomach. Continue drinking this for a few days and the stone will flush out by itself. Radishes work well to detoxify the body and remove even the most stubborn kidney stones. Urination and digestion are improved and all swellings are reduced to a great extent. All this happens because radishes possess anti-inflammatory properties. Watermelon for kidney stones. All of us are well aware that watermelon contains the highest amount of water. This is a fruit that must be eaten every day if you are suffering from stones in kidney. It will help in flushing out the stones easily without causing much pain. The potassium content of this fruit will fasten the process of eliminating even small stones. Pomegranate juice for kidney stones. Pomegranate is not just delicious to eat, it is also a very healthy fruit to include in your diet. It can reduce cholesterol, increase hemoglobin levels, and provide powerful antioxidants that keep the body healthy. The juice extracted from this fruit can keep your renal and urinary system in optimum health. While the antioxidants play a key role in detoxifying the kidneys, this juice also reduces the acidity levels of urine. As the urine acidity levels drop, the kidney stones start to dissolve and can easily pass through the urethra. Eating the fruit or drinking its juice regularly will reduce the chances of developing kidney stones in the future. By doing all the above, you can dissolve kidney stones.